This is the Vitamix A3300 Blender, and I've had this blender for about 7 years. I've used this a lot, and there are some things that I like about it and a couple things that I don't like. So first of all, it's very functional. So it's super easy to use. All you do is hit the switch in the back, select the setting that you want, the speed that you want. It goes all the way up to 10. And then you just hit go. And then you can hit stop. It also has this pulse button, and you can set a time. It also has the 64-ounce container and has a measuring marks on the side. The lid is very simple and it's very secure. It has these 2 clips on both sides, as you can see. It also has this opening on the top. You can just twist off this cap if you need to. Let's say you're in the middle of blending something, you need to add some more liquid, or if you need to use the tamper and push things down. The other thing that I love about this blender, and really Vitamix in general, is its power. So I'm going to show you in a second. I'm going to make a smoothie, and I'm going to just show you how powerful the blade is and the motor is and how quickly it processes ingredients. One of the downsides of that, though, is that it's super loud. And so when I make this smoothie, I want you to listen to the sound. It basically sounds like a power tool. Let's make the smoothie. I have blueberries, grapes, and frozen banana of yogurt, protein powder, coconut water. That should be good. Secure the lid. And it's always good to start on the lowest setting and wrap up. Okay, so that only took a minute, and I probably could have stopped it at 45 seconds, but I just wanted to make sure all the blueberry was completely integrated into the smoothie. So let's take it off, and let's see how this looks. Beautiful. Besides the loud noise, the only other complaint I have about this is that, without fail, there's always some smoothie dripping down the edge. This smoothie was a little bit thinner than I usually make, but especially with thicker smoothies, it's always dripping down the edge of the container, and you end up with a little bit on your counter. And if you don't notice it, like my counter is very busy, this hardens and it's a pain to clean. So just something to keep in mind, a minor complaint, but overall, this is a really good quality blender, super powerful, super loud, but it's powerful, easy to use, and Vitamix is one of the best brands you can buy.